Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Pretty Brown Vegan, the place for plant-based comfort foods. Today's recipe is going to be about this smoky vegan pulled pork burger. It's very spicy. It definitely has a kick to it and it's so good. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to go ahead and get started with a jalapeno. You're just going to go ahead and dice one jalapeno up and roast it in the oven. And then we're going to go ahead and get started with our pulled pork. So we're just going to go ahead and heat up a pot or a skillet over medium heat and saute up some jackfruit. I did get this jackfruit from a can. I drained, rinsed, and separated it. Then we're just going to go ahead and give that a nice toss in the oil until it is well heated through. And then we're going to go ahead and season that jackfruit once it's heated through. And I'm just going to hit it with some black pepper, some sea salt, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some smoked paprika as well. Just go ahead and mix that up and make sure all of the jackfruit is well coated in the seasonings. And then we're going to go ahead and hit it with some barbecue sauce. Then I just go ahead and take half of a lemon and squeeze that over it as well. Once that's nice and cooked together, we're going to go ahead and get started on the burger. I am using a Beyond Burger today, and I go ahead and season one half of the burger while it's still in the packaging. Just hit it with some salt, pepper, garlic, and onion. And then once I hit it in the skillet, I go ahead and season the other side as well. And then before we actually get to frying the burger, I am going to go ahead and prepare the bacon. Just go ahead and use this Sweet Earth bacon and get it nice and crispy. And once the bacon is fried, then we go ahead and put that burger into the skillet. And I like to go ahead and fry my burger until it's nice and well done and I don't see any of that pink. And once it reaches that state, then I go ahead and lay a slice of vegan cheese on top and go ahead and let that melt on it in the skillet before I assemble my burger. So to assemble the burger, on the base, I am using this Chipotle Ranch by Hidden Valley. It is dairy-free. It's one of my favorite vegan ranches that I found so far. And once you get that lather on there, then I go ahead and add some pickles. And once I get the pickles added, I do go ahead and add in some crispy fried onions. Then I just go ahead and place the burger right on top of that. And then this is where I come back in with those jalapeños that we roasted in the oven earlier. And then I add on top of that my bacon slices. And then on top of the bacon, we go ahead and hit it with that pulled pork that we also prepared earlier. It looks so good. Oh my God, y'all, this was so fire. And then I add some barbecue sauce on top of that as well. And go ahead and top it with the bun, which I also put a little more of that Chipotle Ranch on top. That just added such a good kick to it. I served this up with some kettle cooked chips. It was so fire, y'all. You guys have to give it a try and comment down below. Let me know if you guys are gonna go ahead and try it. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up as well. Thank you so much for watching.